Strong fathers, they raise their sons to be physically fit, disciplined, masculine, intellectual, emotionally stable, less likely to ever go to jail, and they become productive members of society, and they know the consequences of their actions.
That's funny. Okay,
A Jezebel, keyword Jezebel, they raise their sons to be emotional, simps, son husbands, a bunch of beta thugs that's very dangerous to society, more likely to go to jail, and they always say, oh, my son is my king. Yeah, King Ahab, a weak king. Since a lot of these baby mamas cannot emasculate the father, guess what they do? They turn the sons into a bunch of strawberry Pop-Tarts, and then they always complain about, oh, we're the most unprotected. Look at what they do to their sons, and then they complain that men want custody of their kids so that they don't pay child support.
Shalom. First and foremost, I want to start by giving all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Rakah, Wadash. I'm Taziar Gabar from Proverbs of Babylon, Waco, Texas, under the branch of the Prophets of Babylon, Tampa Bay, Florida. Camp, double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and salutation on down to the whole for elect. All right, and I saw this video on Instagram, and I did a video prior, about the second clip about the woman putting makeup on her son, and I got hate comments from this black demon, but it's spiritual that I came across the difference, between a son having a father, a male figure, and not a weak one, which I don't know this dude, but you see him training his son, his physical strength, of course, dude going off with the dreadlocks, long hair, but it shows you the difference between the son having a dad versus not. Single mother homes. All right. And what is he doing? He's teaching his son. His son's bench pressing. All right. He's building his son up, physical wise. All right. Bonding. Doing things that boys supposed to do. A young boy is supposed to have that lively, what is it? Rough, always getting into stuff, spirit, not being a menace, a little demon, but, boys are supposed to be, more rough on the edge, into fighting, sports, stuff like that, which is why when you see a boy and a girl, usually the girl, which she's supposed to be, the girl is more soft, feminine. The boys is always playing rough, fighting. You see two brothers fighting all the time. All right. And those boys grow up to be what? Men. If the Lord is a man of war, if Yahweh is a man of war, how much more is his son, and he his nation's a men, Salakia. His nation, the nation of Israel, the men, how much more the men of the nation of Israel. We are supposed to be made in the image of the Lord. All right. So the Lord requires us to be men of war. All right. Lifting weights, all that increases testosterone. But of course, us being in captivity under this damn devil, and under the curses, a lot of our men are under single mother homes. So the boys are being raised up as weak and emotional and feminine. Our mothers being around them, we take up off of their behavior. And you got the mom putting makeup on her son. The Lord created boys to be men when they grow up. Not to have a boy pretend to be a girl. That's why he created girls, to do that. But this is Proverbs 22:6. It says, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is out, so like, yeah, can't see. Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. And that's plain as speech. Because when kids are young, they're like little sponges. They soak up everything that they be around and learn from. All the wisdom, knowledge, whatever that they were taught. They soak that in. Boys, we're supposed to be learning, adventurous, learning how to conquer stuff, overcome stuff. All right. Mixed martial arts, fighting skills. Which back in the day, in the ancient world, fighting, that was common for a man to know. That was a common thing for a man to know. Fighting skills. Shoot, our forefathers was Samson slew a lion. But now the Israelite men are hella weak. Within the tribe of Judah, you got what? Emotional thugs. A person look at them for 2 seconds, they ready to blow their damn head off. Emotional thugs.